So I'm shooting a little movie of how I've got one of my 4 wind turbines set up. This is the first one I did. I built this little control box here myself, put in a volt and an amp meter, and 2 cutoff switches. And this wind turbine will charge my 48 volt golf cart, which I plugged in, and then I have a little control cable that leads back over here, and we'll go to the Coleman Air dump controller. And this dump controller, once the golf cart is fully charged, will dump down to this power inverter, and this inverter feeds the grid, and it has a dump controller built in. It's a wind turbine model, the 500W, and once it either needs to dump because of some huge spike or the fact that the grid may not be available, it dumps to this dump load down here, which is a dump load for it. And I have another grid tie inverter that I'm going to add to it just in case we get some high winds, which we don't. We're pretty low wind area down here in Texas. Constant wind, but not a high wind. And up on top of my grain bin, you see the wind turbine, and it's spinning right now, charging up the batteries. Again, I'll back up here a little. This is my setup, and it also runs the electric fencer, and again, charges the golf cart, which is the feed cart for my horses that I drive around to feed the horses. That's it for this wind generator.